shell game. As you may have guessed, there's a little trick to this dog trick. Chelsea's not actually watching where the ball went, but rather I'm using a scented ball and she's sniffing it out. This ball actually has treats inside. I used a little bit of black mesh fabric and put treats inside there and stuffed it inside the ball. When you're teaching this trick, the type of cups you use can make or break the trick. If you try to teach it with paper or plastic cups, the dog will often overturn the cups just by trying to sniff them, or else he gets excited and he smashes them. Clay flower pots work especially well because they're heavy and they have a shape that keeps them from overturning easily. They also have convenient built-in scent holes on the top. Start with just one pot and get it heavily scented. I'll often take a treat and rub it around the inside to get it really scented. You can even take a piece of tape and tape a treat right to the inside so that the dog is sure to smell it through the scent hole on top. Jigs, come over here. Sit. Let your dog watch as you put a treat on the ground and hide it and tell him, get it, get it, get it. Good. As soon as he shows any interest in the pot, go ahead and lift it and let him have the treat. Jigs, sit. Very good. Once your dog is nosing at the pot, I'm going to hold it down a little longer until he paws at it. Hey, Jigs. Can you get it? Where is it? Where is it? Get it, get it, get it, get it. Keep trying, get it. Good. As soon as he paws at it, lift the pot and let him have the treat. Good boy, buddy. Once your dog is able to do that, we're going to graduate to using a ball instead of a treat under the cup. Let's try it with some other dogs. If your dog loses interest, quickly lift and set back down the pot to show him the treat.
Very nice.
If your dog is not using his paw, tap his wrist or tell him shake to give him the idea to use his paw.
Good. Nice job.
Every dog has his strengths. Some dogs will be good at athletic tricks, and some at mental tricks, and some at scenting tricks like this one. All dogs have good noses, but generally dogs with long muzzles like to sniff a lot and take to this trick easiest. Once your dog has the hang of pawing the pot, add 2 more pots. Some dogs figure the quickest way to get the treat is to knock over all the pots right away, so you're going to have to hold them in place while he's sniffing. You want your dog to sniff each one methodically, so sort of direct his attention to one at a time. Use the pitch of your voice to calm him down when he's on the wrong pot and to say, find it, when he gets close to the right one. If your dog does indicate a wrong pot, don't lift it. Again, we're going to reward success and ignore the rest. Tricks with food involved generally go pretty easily, so with a little practice, your dog will be fooling your friends. Let's recap. Put a treat under a clay pot. As soon as your dog shows any interest in it, lift the pot and let him get the treat. Now try it again and hold the pot in place until your dog paws at it. Add 2 more pots. If your dog paws at an incorrect pot, don't lift it, but encourage him to keep looking. With a little practice, your dog will choose the correct pot every time.